Thank you for coming and welcome. Go down below to subscribe and leave a like on this video. We're going to make some jumps and drive on snow and streets. And let's do it in water too, guys. Let's do it.
Bring it back down this way. Bring it back down this way.
Jump!
There we go. Now we in business.
Look! Oh!
Back it up.
Look! Let's drive it on the snow now. Let's drive it on the snow.
No
now.
snow.
Huh?
Stay down. Stay on this end. This end.
Okay.
Okay. One more trick. Oh, okay. Oh.
Hey, can drive on good. Whoa. Oh, can I drive on water?
You know your car's electric, right? You drive it in the water. See if it works.
It does.
You drove an electric car in water. Don't do that. Trying to destroy your car.
It still works if it goes in the water. That's so cool. It still works on water.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see if we can drive on again, I think. Let's do a big explosion in 3, 2, 1. Oh! Yeah, we need it back up.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, that was what you call a crash. Stay tuned next week for the next crash.
No,